In this video, we're going to be installing a start-stop solution from B2BFAB on a 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be working on the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan again that our buddy Jeff owns, and I'm excited to get back to this project. Last time you saw it, he installed a lift kit on it from B2BFAB, and we're continuing in that trend. We're going to be installing a start-stop solution. Now, if you do own one of these newer Tiguans, you're probably very familiar with start-stop, and many other cars and many other makes use it as well. And it's simply that when you come to a complete stop while you're driving, the car's engine is going to shut off, and when you hit the gas, it's going to come back on, which sounds like it might perform well in gas savings, which supposedly it does. However, it does not make for a great driving experience, especially when you consider yourself maybe a driving enthusiast or you're trying to go for a more sporty drive. And yes, you can turn it off by simply pushing the button that's on the center console. However, this becomes a little bit old, and if you're going to be someone who's just driving with it off most of the time, might as well take a little bit of time and set that up, and that's where this B2BFAB start-stop solution comes in. So what the B2BFAB start-stop solution does is simply kind of reverses the thinking of the car. So instead of automatically turning start-stop on every time you get in the vehicle, it's actually going to make it so that the car will keep it off when you get in. And if you want to use it, it's still available to you, except now you have to turn it on. Now, if you're not familiar with these Volkswagens, you might think, well, can't you go into settings and just turn it off so it doesn't come on when you get in? Actually, no, you can't. And that's why this solution is so important, and that's why B2BFAB made it, and why Jeff wanted to have this installed on his car as soon as possible. Now, B2BFAB did send us this part free of cost, and we're super excited about it, and a huge shout out to them. They saw the lift kit video and liked the work that we did and sent us a few parts to say thanks, and we're super excited to start this relationship and work with them on some more installs as well. And once we got the parts, they have really detailed install instructions, which is one of the things we really liked about the lift kit. And once I took a look at them, I was like, this looks pretty straightforward, and Jeff has been wanting to learn more about how to work on the car himself. So what we're actually going to do to kind of, we'll say, see how easy it is let Jeff do this entire install, for the most part, on his own. Jeff, what would you say that your mechanic rating is right now?
Oh, I am a rookie in the making.
Now, yes, he might be a rookie when it comes to car modifications, but I think overall, I'm just starting to get to know Jeff, but I think overall he's a pretty handy guy, but hasn't done a lot with cars. So take that into account as you think about you doing this installation. Now let's jump into it.
It on the
you
leather.
Didn't, or you did?
I didn't. It's really nice. I feel like it's clicking back in.
Tech right now.
Ah, there we go. Make sure we didn't break it. There we go. Cool. Okay. That popped up completely. Just take that out. Okay. These guys?
Yeah. I believe you can just pull them out.
Nice. Awesome. Like all the way out? Because I don't think it will.
No. I think you can.
Oh, yeah, I gotta go.
Go ahead and pull that out. Hey guys, quick little commercial break to let you know we'll be kicking off the new year in the right way and doing a little bit of a giveaway. So if you're interested in one of the tuned and tuned sweatshirts that you can pick up on the DadWagon merch site, now's your chance to win one. So it's really simple to enter. Just go down the comments below and let me know what kind of content you want to see from us in 2022. And that's it. I'll be choosing someone at random to send it to. And this is not the sweatshirt we're giving away. We're giving away an XL I ordered as a sample. And if you're a large, it's probably just right for you. These sweatshirts run a little bit small. So comment below and we'll send it out.
Yeah. Either way.
Looks like it goes both ways.
Huh. Okay.
Once you got it connected, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want me to run this underneath?
Yeah, you should probably be able to do it afterwards. I don't think you need it.
Okay. You sure?
Let's see.
I don't think there's a... Come on. I don't know why they did it, but...
So you're all connected?
Yep.
Are you seeing it come through?
Yeah, I see it.
How gentle it is.
It's on the front, so it looks like this. So this pushes in, this little piece.
Okay.
And that's how it comes out.
Cool.
Little flap.
Mm-hmm.
And click. Come on, buddy.
I did.
Make sure it goes into this side.
Go for it.
I think it's gonna tell you on the screen too. Engine running. Temperature. Start stop system deactivated. All right. That's awesome. Perfect.
All right, so you can still turn it off if you want.
Yeah, you can. Just that you turn it on, it's just gonna automatically activate it or
Okay.
deactivate it in a sense.
And then you said if it switches to off-road mode.
Stays on. Switch it to off-road custom, stays on. Switch it over to snow, stays on. Boom,
Awesome.
done.
So that's it. It really is a pretty simple and straightforward install. Although it seems like you're getting into the deep inner workings of your center console, it's really not that bad. And yes, just take your time when you're prying on things. Don't try and speed it along too fast. This install really only took us maybe 30 to 45 minutes if we didn't do the filming stuff with it. So it was pretty quick and easy, and the installation instructions provided by B2BFAB are really fantastic and very accurate. And if you need an additional hand, just watch this video again as you go through and do it. As always, if you like this content, please like it and subscribe it, especially this one. Like this video a lot if you have a Tiguan and you want to see more stuff like this, so that way I can keep kind of encouraging Jeff to allow me to get him some more parts to beef up his car. So again, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.